Welcome back to Fix My PC Now. Is your computer slow and frustrating you every day? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you the top 5 free tools that can speed up your PC instantly. And yes, these are 100% free and safe to use. So, let's dive right in. Tool number 1, CCleaner. First up, we have CCleaner, a classic but powerful tool. It cleans temporary files, broken registry entries, and junk that slows your computer. Just download it from the official website, run a scan, and hit Clean. Pro tip: don't overuse registry cleaning. Once a week is enough. Tool number 2, Malwarebytes. Next is Malwarebytes, perfect for detecting hidden malware or bloatware. Many slow computers are victims of hidden spyware. Use Malwarebytes to do a full scan and remove anything suspicious. Bonus: it works alongside your antivirus, no conflict. Tool number 3, autoruns. Now this one's for the advanced users. Autoruns by Microsoft. It shows every program that starts with your Windows system. Disable any unnecessary startup items that you don't need. Fewer startup programs equals faster boot time. Tool number 4 is Advanced SystemCare Free. It's an all-in-one optimizer. Cleans junk files, boosts RAM, and even protects privacy. You just run a scan and click Fix. It's super easy, even for beginners. Tool number 5, Windows built-in tools. Don't forget about tools already in Windows. They're built-in, free, and effective. Always keep your system updated. Uninstall programs you don't use. Keep your desktop clean. It actually helps performance. And if your PC is still slow after all this, maybe it's time to upgrade your hardware or reinstall Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's struggling with a slow PC. Let me know in the comments which tool worked best for you. Thanks for watching Fix My PC Now. See you next time.